Hi everyone. Uh, in the initial, when I just applied for this workshop, I was a little bit skeptical. I didn't know what is this course is gonna be. Then later, on the first day, he shared many of his YouTube videos and everything. The first assignment was to share our vision and everything, and he also gave us the YouTube links, Instagram links, Twitter links, and everything. And when I saw, the first thing I saw was this Pepsi ad, and I was actually, you won't believe, I was really fascinated by that ad when I was doing my college days. We used to talk about that ad very much. We used to talk to my friends that how brilliant this guy is. Just in one frame he conveyed everything. And no, I was really, I actually from I was actually, I said my friends that I really want to meet this guy. But I don't know whether it will happen or not. But this guy is brilliant. That day I said to my friends, I still remember that word. When I saw this ad, then I was really happy. Fine, my dream came true. It was like 6-7 years back. I saw 7-8 years back. I saw this ad, and now I'm seeing this guy who is mentoring me. What That's a dream come true moment for me. And I saw many of his short films, and one really I liked is this Vishala Hardiyada Kannadigaru. That film was really beautiful, really wonderful short film. I really loved it. And to be honest, I used to give lots and lots of excuses to do something. I wanted to do acting, and I wanted to become a very good DOP. That was my passion, but due to some reasons, it's not some reasons, it was less like, let us take that, it was like my stupid excuses. I was giving lots and lots of excuses to my friends and to my colleagues that, chalo, we will do some other time, we'll do some other time. We need a good team, we need a good camera, we need a good system, we need a good editing software, everything. Whenever my friends comes and says this, Bala, come, let's do something, no, we'll do short film, we don't need a mic, we don't need a camera, just phone is enough, like that he used to say. But I will say, no da, we got to this camera equipment is very important, we got to give them quality, we got to give them good content, we got to be very careful, otherwise we'll be mocked like anything. I was scared to shit, I'm sorry for using bad language. I was scared, and I was giving lots and lots of excuses, stating that people will judge me. And after I joined this workshop, every single day he motivated. The words that came from his mouth was like everything was like AK-47 bullets, dum 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 dum. He was shooting at me, and I was literally, he was just getting into my heart, and he was just taking those bad things away from me. What my excuses, throw that away, go. And my whenever I said I need good camera, that same question I asked yesterday, can I use DSLR? He said no, Bala. And that moment I saw, okay, to give a good content, to give something really good to the audience, you don't need expensive equipments. You need heart, you need dedication, and you need to enjoy yourself on doing that. That is what I learned from this workshop. And definitely thank you so much, yaar. I will never forget you in my life. From this moment, whatever I do, I will keep thinking of you every single time and thanking you from my bottom of my heart every single time.
Thank
Thank
you.
you so much.